A coil is wound as a transformer of rectangular cross section. If all the linear dimensions of the transformer are increased by factor 2 and the number of turns per unit length of the coil remain the same, the self inductance increased by a factor of. Now in this question, first of all we need to understand the value of self inductance. What is the formula and how it varies with length and number of turns per unit area. So as we know that phi flux will be proportional to the current, and that shows phi will be is equal to L into I, where L is the self inductance. Right? Now coming back to this phi part, so phi is equal to NBA for a coil. So here the value of phi will be N into A, and what is the value of B for a coil? So coil is like a solenoid and B solenoid is mu naught into N into I, where this N is equal to total number of lengths divided by L. So this L is nothing else, number of turns per unit length. Perfect. So if you put this value here, you get mu naught into capital N by N L into I. Perfect. So if you put this value here in this position, so you get mu naught into N by L into I, right? And then you get mu naught into I upon L into A into N square. But now in the question they have given the information that number of turns per unit length of the coil will remain the same. That means they are saying that small n is same. That means I can write N is equal to N into L. So if you replace this thing, you get mu naught I by L into A into N square will be N into L whole square, and our equation number 1 is this. So put the value of phi in equation number 1. So if you put, you get Li is equal to mu naught I A divided by L into N square L square. Perfect. So we get L is equal to mu naught into A divided by L into N square L square. So from this one L will also be cancelled out. So let me correct it. This L is nothing else. I am replacing with small l, because otherwise you might get confused. This L is length, right? So what do I get? That self inductance capital L is proportional to area into L, right? Because N is constant as given in the question. So we will use this form. Now what do we have here? So rectangular situation is here. So rectangular transformer is here. So coil is rectangular. That means, let's say, length and width. So that means area area is initially B into L. Finally they are talking about it will be doubled. So A dash will be 2B into 2L, and if you put, then you get L dash will be proportional to area dash into L dash, and which will be equal to L dash proportional to area dash, which is 4 into A, because this will become 4LB and LB is nothing else A. So 4 into A into 2 into L. Let me remove these things. So what do I get further? I get L dash is proportional to 8 A into L. So if this is equation number 2 and if this is equation number 3, so on dividing, so if you divide, you get L dash upon L will be equal to 8AL upon AL, which can be cancelled out. This will be L. So L dash will be is equal to L into 8. So that means it will be 8 times. So which option is right? Option number 3, 8 is the right choice. Perfect.